Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. In this lecture I am going to explain about how to form a differential equation. So before jumping to first order differential equation, we need to understand how to make a differential equation or how to form a differential equation, like formation of differential equation. So before that, we should know what is differential equation, what is the meaning of order, what is the meaning of degree. So everything I'll explain in detail. So without further delay, we'll start the lecture. My name is Isaprusti and you are watching my lovely channel, Love You Science. सो फर्स्ट तो देखते हैं डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या होता है. सो देन विल टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का मतलब द इक्वेशन व्हिच कंटेन्स डेरिवेटिव्स और द इक्वेशन व्हिच कंटेन डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. लाइक डेरिवेटिव और डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट क्या है. सो विल फाइंड इन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिस टाइप ऑफ टर्म dy by dx और d square y by dx square or maybe dqy by dx cube. Okay, so this type of term will get in differential equation. So I can give an example. I'll say dy by dx is equal to cos x. So ये हो गया एक differential equation. So I can write down dy by dx minus of cos x is equal to what? 0. ये हो गया एक differential equation. Or we can write d square y by dx square equal to y. So that means I can write down d square y by dx square minus y will be 0. So that kind of equation is called differential equation. Is it clear? Then we will go to first order differential equation. First order differential equation kya? For that we need to know what is the meaning of degree and what is the meaning of order. Then okay, one more thing, we remember differential equation are classified in two categories. One is ordinary differential equation, and second is your partial differential equation. In case of ordinary differential equation, already I have told this kind of equation is called ordinary equation. dy by dx equal to some cos x or sin x, whatever it may be. dy by dx is equal to y, or d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus 4 equal to. So this kind of equation is called ordinary differential equation. But partial differential equation क्या है, उसमें del z by del x minus del y by del x equal to 0. So we'll just focus on ordinary differential equation. So in this entire lecture or in coming lecture, we will focus on ordinary differential equation. So coming to next part, what is the meaning of order and what is the meaning of degree? ऑर्डर देखो क्या होता है, इट इज द हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. कोई भी फंक्शन देख लो, कोई भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन देखो, उसमें पहले चेक करो व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. एंड डिग्री क्या है, द पावर ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. जो भी हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है उसका पावर जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड डिग्री. वी कैन टेक वन एग्जांपल हियर. लेट वी हैव अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिस d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus 5 equal to 0. So इसमें clearly you can say what is the highest order here, what is the highest order derivative. This is the highest order derivative, second time derivative हुआ है. This is not highest order, remember. इसमें second time derivative है, मतलब order क्या है इधर 2 and degree क्या है, the power of highest order derivative. ये जो highest order derivative का power कितना है, power is 1, so मतलब degree is 1. क्लियर. तो सिमिलरली और एक एग्जांपल देख लो. तो इसमें देखो ऑर्डर क्या है, डिग्री क्या है. ऑर्डर क्या है, हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर मतलब 2 टाइम्स डेरिवेटिव हुआ है, सेकंड टाइम डेरिवेटिव हुआ है, मतलब इधर ऑर्डर इज 2. डू नॉट कंसीडर दिस वन एज ऑर्डर बिकॉज इसमें एक वंस ओनली एक टाइम डेरिवेटिव हुआ है, लाइक dy by dx. सो इसमें क्या है, योर ऑर्डर इज 2 एंड व्हाट इज द डिग्री, the power of highest order. ये जो highest order है उसका power कितना है, 2, मतलब here degree is 2. I hope it is clear. So how to find out order and degree of a differential equation. So next most important part in this topic or in this lecture, since it is first lecture, important part is how to form a differential equation, like formation of differential equation, how to make a differential equation. For that I have taken two example. Let we have this equation. I have to form a differential equation. So पहले check करो in this equation how many arbitrary constant are there. So in this equation there are 2 arbitrary constant. There are 2 arbitrary constant. Remember, if there are 2 arbitrary constant, you have to differentiate this function 2 times. Just इतना याद रखो, बस हो जाएगा. You have to differentiate this function 2 times. इसमें कितना arbitrary function है, only one arbitrary function, so we have to differentiate only once. You have to take differentiation of this function only once. Is it clear? So now how to form this differential equation? See here. So if you will differentiate this function, so it will be dy by dx equal to a into e to the power x, because e to the power x का differentiation क्या है? E to the power x, and a तो constant है. Similarly b is constant. E to the power minus x का differentiation e to the power minus x, again minus x का differentiation minus 1. So I'm writing in detail dy by dx equal to a e to the power x minus b e to the power minus x. It is clear? It is clear? So we'll form a differential equations. Now you tell me, since we have taken two arbitrary constant, we have to differentiate this function two times. ये तो एक बार हो गया. Second time we will differentiate, मतलब d square y by dx square is equal to, इसका differentiation क्या है? Again a is constant, e to the power x का differentiation e to the power x minus. See, differentiation of this function b into e to the power minus x, मतलब b तो constant है, so e to the power minus x का differentiation e to the power minus x, again we'll differentiate minus x का differentiation minus 1. So that means we'll be getting e to the power x plus b e to the power minus x. So that is your d square y by dx square. So now you put in this value, ये जो value है देखो, a to the power x plus b to the power minus x is already given y. So that means I can write down d square y by dx square is equal to y. Just you put the value of y in this equation. So that means what is your final expression? D square y by dx square minus y will be 0. ये हो गया आपका differential equation. So coming to second example, here I have taken only one arbitrary function. Just you have to differentiate this function once. So if you differentiate this function, e to the a तो constant बाहर आ जाएगा, e to the power 3x का differentiation e to the power 3x, again 3x का differentiation 3. So that means 3 into a e to the power 3x. ठीक है? So a into e to the power 3x क्या है? Y. So that means I can write down 3y. So मतलब dy by dx minus of 3y will be 0. ये हो गया आपका differential equation. Is it clear? Okay, coming to next question. Y equal to 3x minus a whole square. So यहाँ पे तो पहले चेक कर how many arbitrary constant. A is arbitrary constant, मतलब one arbitrary constant. So you have to differentiate only once this function. So if you differentiate, so I can write dy by dx is equal to, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? देखो 3 तो कांस्टेंट है, तो ये पार्ट का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? 2 into x to the power minus a. Understood? So 2 minus 1. Then again we'll differentiate x minus a. So a तो कांस्टेंट का डिफरेंशिएशन 0, x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1, मतलब you'll be getting only 6 into x minus a. Understood? 6 into x minus a. You know how to find the difference, how to make the derivative of a function, like x to the power n, d by dx of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. Is a basic cheese that you know. Okay, so again so we have already differentiated this function and we are getting dy by dx is equal to 6 into x minus a. Now what you will do, I can write down x minus a is equal to 1 by 6 into dy by dx, right? So now we'll put this value in this equation, so I can write y is equal to 3, x minus a क्या है? 1 by 6 dy by dx, ठीक है, इसका whole square. Understood? Clear? So here it is 1 by 6 square is 1 by 36, then dy by dx whole square. So here it is 1 by 12 into dy by dx whole square. Is it clear? So now if I cross multiply this, so I can get dy by dx whole square is equal to 12 into y. So that means I can write down dy by dx whole square, okay, minus of 12y equal to 0. ये हो गया आपका differential equation. Okay, so coming to next question, y equal to a square plus a. So here do not assume there are two arbitrary constant, only one arbitrary constant, one, मतलब one arbitrary constant. That means you have to differentiate this function once. You have to take differentiation of this function once. So dy by dx क्या है, constant का differentiation 0, then a is constant, so we'll have to differentiate 1 by x. 1 by x का differentiation क्या है, देखो d by dx of 1 by x, you know the basic, d by dx of x to the power minus 1, मतलब x to the power n का differentiation क्या है, n into x to the power n minus 1, मतलब minus 1 into x minus 1 minus 1, so minus 1 x to the power minus 2, so minus 1 by x square. ठीक है, so that means I can write down minus a 1 by x square. Clear? Okay, so I can write down from this expression a is equal to, this a is equal to cross multiply करो, so मतलब x square dy by dx of negative sign. Okay, now you put this value in this equation, so मतलब y will be a square, मतलब minus x square dy by dx the whole square, then plus a by x, a is minus x square dy by dx by x, so x cancel, and this one is coming x square dy by, sorry, not x square, x to the power 4 dy by dx whole square minus x into dy by dx. So now I can write here, like dx to the power 4 dy by dx square, ठीक है, minus x into dy by dx minus y will be 0. ये हो गया आपका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ठीक है, so coming to next question, y equal to log cos x minus a plus b. So here there are two arbitrary constant. How many arbitrary constant? Two arbitrary constant a and b. So how many times we'll have to differentiate this function? Two times differentiation करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so if we'll go for fast differentiation, so dy by dx will be equal to log of this one, log of x का differentiation क्या है, 1 by x, मतलब 1 by cos x minus a. Again we'll differentiate cos function, cos का differentiation क्या है, minus sin x minus a. Okay, let me erase. Okay, cos का differentiation क्या है, cos theta का differentiation minus theta, मतलब minus sin x minus a. Again we'll differentiate this function, a का differentiation तो 0 constant है, x का क्या है 1, that's why you can just put 1 here, leave it. Then b is constant का differentiation क्या है 0, so I can write here dy by dx, see sin x by cos x और sin theta by cos theta क्या है, tan theta, मतलब minus tan x minus a. Is it clear? Next, since we have taken two arbitrary constant, we have to differentiate two times. That is, तो first differentiation हो गया, second differentiation, d square y by dx square is equal to, what is the differentiation of tan theta? What is the differentiation of tan theta? Sec square theta. Yes or no? Differentiation of tan theta, you know, that is sec square theta. Okay, so is it clear? So now sec square theta we can write down 1 plus tan square theta. So that means I can write down 1 plus क्या है, tan square x minus a. ये हो गया आपका d square y by dx square. Clear? So now what you will do, अभी देखो ये जो फंक्शन है माइनस ऑफ tan x माइनस a इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, dy by dx. सो मतलब ये जो पार्ट में वी कैन राइट माइनस ऑफ, सी फ्रॉम दिस एक्सप्रेशन, सॉरी, फ्रॉम दिस एक्सप्रेशन आई कैन राइट डाउन tan x माइनस a क्या है, tan माइनस ऑफ dy by dx. yes or no? सो इसमें डाल दो, मतलब डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन प्लस, ये जो tan x का वैल्यू क्या है, tan x माइनस का वैल्यू क्या है, माइनस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, उसका स्क्वायर क्या होगा, मतलब डी वाई बाई डी एक्स का स्क्वायर। ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड। सो नाउ आई कैन राइट इट इज एज माइनस वन माइनस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर। सो कंप्लीट पार्ट आई कैन राइट हियर like d square y by dx square plus क्या है dy by dx whole square plus 1 is equal to 0। ये हो गया आपका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। क्लियर? ओके, सो कमिंग टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन, y is equal to a into e to the power minus 2x plus b into e to the power minus 3x, we'll have to make a differential equation. So as I've told, there are how many arbitrary constant, there are two arbitrary constant, so we have to differentiate this function two times. Remember, two arbitrary constant like a and b are the two arbitrary constant, we have to differentiate this function two times. So पहले तो फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएशन देखते हैं, dy by dx is equal to a into e to the power minus 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस 2। सिमिलरली ये क्या हो जाएगा, b into e to the power minus 3x, b तो कांस्टेंट, e to the power minus 3x का डिफरेंशिएशन e to the power minus 3x का क्या है माइनस 3। so I can write down this one as y dash मतलब फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, so y dash is equal to so I can write down 2a, okay, minus 2a e to the power minus 2x minus 3b e to the power minus 3x, okay. Then as I have told, there are two arbitrary constant, we have to differentiate once more, like d square y by dx square, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, देखो minus 2a e to the power minus 2x into minus 2, क्योंकि माइनस 2 है तो कांस्टेंट है, e to the power minus 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन e to the power minus 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस 2। सिमिलरली आई कैन राइट फॉर दैट minus 3b e to the power minus 3x into minus 3। so you take this one as y double dash, second time derivative, so y double dash is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 minus minus plus 4a e to the power minus 2x plus 9b e to the power minus 3x। ठीक है, so that means we are getting y double dash and we are getting y dash and we have y। so carefully you observe, this is not the final differential equation because we have again arbitrary constant, so we have to get this differential equation. How? So there is a method, just we rearrange the three equation and by determinant method we can get this solution or we can get this differential equation। कैसे करना है देखो, just what I am doing, listen carefully, मैं इसको just rearrange कर रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं, just rearrange कर रहा हूँ, just to find the answer in determinant method। okay, so I am writing here y is equal to 1 into e to the power minus 2x into a, ठीक है, plus 1 into e to the power minus 3x into b is equal to 0। ठीक है, understood? okay, similarly I can write this second one as y dash is equal to, see, minus 2 into e to the power minus 2x into a, just rearrange here, minus 3 into e to the power minus 3x into b, okay, it is not 0, it is not 0। ठीक है, ये हो गया second equation, and from this equation we can get third one as y double dash is equal to 4 into e to the power minus 2x into a plus 9 e to the power minus 3x into b, okay. so now I can write here y minus of 1 into e to the power minus 2x into a minus 1 into e to the power minus 3x into b equal to 0। ठीक है, and from this expression I can write down y dash plus 2 into e to the power minus 2x into a plus 3 into e to the power minus 3x into b equal to 0। Similarly, from third equation I can write y double dash minus 4 e to the power minus 2x into a minus 9 e to the power minus 3x into b equal to 0. Okay, so now we'll find this answer by using the determinant method. Check karo ठीक से, you know how to make the table. Okay, so इसमें क्या है, y dash y double dash, like y dash y double dash, ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड इसमें क्या देखो, -1 2 and -4, -1 2 and -4, चेक करो, -1 2 and -4, just you mention the coefficient or put the coefficient. एंड इसमें कोफिशिएंट -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3, इसमें क्या है -9. Understood? So I'm erasing this part. Okay, now you get the solution. So here y, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, -18 क्या है +12, ठीक है. ये माइनस मतलब +1 इंटू -9y डैश, ठीक है, एंड -3y डबल डैश, ठीक है. तो इसमें -1, ये क्या हो जाएगा -4y डैश -4y डैश -2y डबल डैश, ठीक है. Okay, so now -8 plus 12 -6. Now this will be -9y dash plus, not plus, again -3y double dash, and it will be plus 4y dash plus 2y double dash, ठीक है. हाँ, is equal to 0, मतलब is equal to 0. So it is -9y dash 4y dash, so I can write down -5y dash, -3y double dash plus 2y double dash, मतलब -y double dash, ठीक है, and -6y equal to क्या है 0. So I can write down y dash plus 5y double dash plus 5y dash plus 6y equal to क्या है 0. So what is your differential equation? d square x by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. ये हो गया आपका final differential equation. So with this I'm ending this lecture. Hope you guys understand what I've explained today. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Good luck.